What's going on, YouTube? How are you? My name is Nick. If you came across this video, you're wondering how can you design, interior design, and set yourself apart with your investment in Tulum. So in this video, Debbie and I sit down with a client that met us on YouTube. He's purchasing in a building that has many units that the developer is actually going to fabricate and furnish and decorate the entire place. Well, after watching our videos on YouTube, he realized that, wow, I need to set myself apart and I need to work with these guys. So we are going to meet with him next week and figure out a budget, figure out a theme for his property. You can watch this video right here with Debbie. She will dive a little bit into what we need to do. There are 3 different parts to this, and she will explain that in the video. So let's jump into it. And when he does come, when Pierre comes, I'll make another video, obviously, upload it here to show you exactly those 3 parts and how Debbie breaks them down. So let's jump into it.
Hey, Nick.
Hey, what's up, Pierre? How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, good. It's probably late.
Hello.
Right now, huh? Hey, Debbie, what's up?
Hello, Debbie.
How are you? Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you guys.
Well, it's nice to meet you. I know that we've been talking, I guess, for quite some time, back and forth.
True.
And now your unit is going to be delivered here in the next month or so. Is it almost? It's almost ready.
Yeah, March.
Yeah, that's correct. Supposed to be delivered next month, so I'm super excited.
Cool. Yeah, that's awesome. So I think maybe the best way to start this conversation would be, I guess, let's have Debbie discuss everything with you for decorating, setting things up, and then probably after we do that, like we could discuss managing it, but I don't even think we might have to do that on this phone call. This should probably just be about decor.
Yeah, so I think for me, it divides in 3 parts. It's the furniture making, that one. Then you have the decor making. And then you have the buying of everything that you need to rent the unit. Meaning sheets, pots, fans, glasses, pillows, mattresses, etc.
Okay.
So I can do the 3 of them. I can do just the furniture if you want only the furniture. I can do furniture and decor. I can do furniture and purchases. It depends on whatever you want. I have a partner that makes the furniture with me. So for that, for example, I would need to know the style you're looking for. If you have any idea of what you want, if you want this to propose something from scratch. I would also love to see more about the development, like you send some pictures on the chat, but maybe if you have like the brochure, real photos of the progress, etc., so we can have a better idea and we can create like a design specifically for your condo.
Okay. So to be honest with you, ideally I would like the full package, meaning like the furniture, the decoration, and all the accessories that you said. Because initially, like the developer was giving me the furniture for my unit.
Yeah.
But after that, they started to create more and more condos, like phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. And I was like, okay, I don't want to have the same furniture and same decoration as the other units. I want something more unique. I want something that is different, so it can rent more than the rest of the units. So ideally, I would like to have the full package from you guys. And yeah, for the picture and everything, I can send it to you, no problem. Also, I will be in Tulum in 2 weeks, so I will visit my apartment. So I don't know if you guys are around. You can also come with me to check out the place. Will be no problem for me.
Yeah, I can go, no problem. Me?
Yeah, I could go. You are coming the 13th to the 17th, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. This week from the Monday to Friday. So any day I will be in Tulum or Playa del Carmen also.
Okay, yeah. I have that saved in my calendar. I'll be there. I'll be back on the 8th. Me and you and Debbie can go and do that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I think I'm free any of those days. I need to check.
Yeah. So we can go ahead and do that. Yeah, I guess. Well, one thing would be just going into it for this is a 1 bedroom or it's a studio? I was looking at.
I think it's considered as a studio. There is there is a bedroom, but it's like not completely separate from the living room. So I guess will be counted as a studio.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see the picture from the WhatsApp group, or I can.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it has the wall, like the little gated wall there. I see.
Yeah, exactly.
So then,
Let me see.
But it's quite big for a studio. It's like 52 per meter. So it's not like a small unit for a studio. It has this also jacuzzi on the terrace.
Yeah, that's nice.
And I think the location is not that bad. I haven't been there yet, but it's in region 15, and it's like 15 minutes from the beach, from what I understood.
Yeah, I'm gonna just pull it up right here.
Nick, do you think we could fit 4 people in this?
Yes, definitely. Especially if we have like a sofa bed that is like queen size bed when we have it as a bed. Yeah, it's definitely possible, and this is what I want also. I would like to have 4 people being able to host 4 people. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can do a sofa bed. Yeah, no problem. We can do that. Okay, I just wanted to double check. Okay, do you know if the developer is like, these are renders, correct? The ones you sent?
Yeah, but that's exactly how they're gonna furnish the place. So this is exactly what I don't want.
Okay. Okay, got it.
To give you an idea.
Okay, I see. Do you have any idea of a style you would like for the unit, or any idea of maybe you saw a nice headboard or anything like that?
Honestly, for this part, guys, I trust you 100%. I know you have more experience than me. I want something that's rent, that is unique, and that is different than the renters that you can see in the picture. And I completely trust you. I want something different and that will stand out on the pictures on Airbnb, that people can project themselves, like having these Tulum vibes, like eco chic and all that, all the things that people are looking for in Tulum, but different than what they are proposing.
Yeah, I see. So yeah, it would help me a lot if you could send me everything that you have, basically, like the brochure, more images. Nick, how do you say plano?
The floor plan?
Floor plan, I have it too. Yeah,
yes, please.
I can send it to you.
And if they have any photos of the real progress of the construction, that will help as well. Anything that you have will help me. So I can start making the furniture proposal, and we can get that going ASAP, because the furniture making takes around 4 to 5 weeks. It depends. We usually deliver before or right on time. We have never been late, but we're going to tell you at the most 5 weeks, just in case.
Sounds good. Because I think the unit will be delivered in March, but the developer told me, like, if I want the unit to be delivered to me a bit later, maybe April, that's also okay. Like, there is not like a specific date in March for me to receive the unit.
Okay. What else? So for the furniture, we require a 70% down payment and then a 30% final payment. Do you have any issues with making wire transfers?
No, not at all.
Okay. I'm going to start working on the proposal, and I'm going to send you an example of a budget for a studio or 1 bedroom, so you can have an idea of how much it would be approx.
Okay.
And we will get to the part when you say yes to everything and you like everything, and we just get it going.
I really hope so.
All right.
But yeah, in the meantime, I will send you all the pictures I have, all the floor plans and everything that I have right now. And again, in 2 weeks I will be in Tulum, so if you want to see the unit with me, that will be maybe better for you to project.
Yeah,
yeah, we can all go there and have lunch too and sit down and
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
okay,
I'm
cool.
gonna have a Pia come with us so he can take the measurements of everything.
Okay.
Okay? Pia is my partner. It's, for the furniture.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Cool. Well, Pierre, we look forward to meeting you, and we'll see you in a couple weeks. And then Debbie will send everything in the group chat. We'll go from there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
All
we'll
right.
stay in touch in the group chat.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Cool.
See you
Thank
guys.
you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
And there you have it. Thank you for watching. And I will upload another video when Pierre does come. And I'll link that here in the corner of the video or in the link description below. And so if you like this video, please comment, share, like, subscribe, hit me up, visit the website, do everything that you need to do. Not only do we build and develop houses for clients and investors, we also property manage it, and we build and do this type of stuff. So reach out to me if you need anything, and we'll take it from there. Thank you.